In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the ChatGPT app login problem. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and navigate to Google. I type ChatGPT into the search box and press enter to look for the application website. When the results appear, I click on the main ChatGPT link to open the interface. Once the page loads, I see the main interface with a search box asking what is on the agenda today, but I need to clear out older data first. I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of my browser window to open the main menu. From the drop-down options, I find and select the option to delete browsing data. A settings window pops open, displaying a menu with various choices. I check the box for all time to ensure everything is covered. Next, I review the checked options, including browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Everything looks correct, so I click the Delete Data button at the bottom of the pop-up to clear the system cache. After a brief pause while the data clears, the settings page is left open, so I navigate back to my Open ChatGPT tab to see if the interface refreshes properly. The page still displays the standard search prompt, but I need to check my active browser settings next. I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner once again to open the menu. This time, I hover over More Tools and click on Manage Extensions to see what is running in the background. On the Extensions page, I review my active extensions. I find a VPN extension that might be interfering with my network connection. I click the toggle switch on the lower right of the VPN card to disable it. To be safe, I also find a Web Advisor extension next to it and click its toggle switch to turn it off as well. With both extensions disabled, I close the Extensions tab and return to the ChatGPT page. I opened a new browser tab to check the official system status. In the new search bar, I type OpenAI status and press enter to find the Network Diagnostics page. I click the first result, which takes me directly to the official OpenAI status page. The page loads with a notification banner showing that they are currently experiencing issues with specific workspaces. I scroll down the page to check the main system components. I click on the ChatGPT drop-down option to see the detailed uptime logs for individual features. I review the listed items, including conversations, login, compliance, search, file uploads, and voice mode. All the indicators show green blocks, which means the login systems and services are fully operational on their end. Knowing the servers are healthy and my browser cache and extensions are clean, I'm ready to return to the application and log in without any further problems. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.